Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to generate a consolidated e-invoice in Express 365. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand how to search, process, and submit a consolidated invoice correctly. There are 5 key steps to cover in this tutorial. Accessing the consolidated invoice screen, pulling out invoices from the month, submitting the consolidated invoice, canceling and reprocessing an invoice, disallowed transactions, and no consolidation setup. Number 1. Accessing the consolidated invoice screen. Firstly, the user needs to navigate to the consolidated e-invoice screen. Under Tax in the menu bar, then under E-Invoice, select E-Invoice Consolidated. To view past consolidated invoices, users can filter the timeline and click the search button. Number 2. Pulling out invoices from the month. In the Process field, choose the month and year for which user want to process consolidated invoices, and click the Run button to pull out all consolidated e-invoices for the selected timeline. Once the invoices have been pulled out, users can view some of the document's information, such as the invoice date, document type, self-billed status, submission status, invoice amount, and the total invoices that have been consolidated. Users can click the magnifying glass icon to view the documents contained within the invoice. Click on the magnifying glass icon for a specific invoice detail, such as quantity, unit price, and item code. Number 3. Submitting the consolidated invoice. After pulling out all invoices for the month, select the invoices to submit by ticking the check boxes on the left side of the screen. Then, click the Submit Selected button to submit the selected invoices. Once submitted, the UUID and document number will be provided by LHDN. The UUID will only be issued after LHDN has validated the invoice. Users can check the submission status to see if it is in draft or validated, and the status will update based on actions taken by my invoice and the user. For example, submitted, canceled, valid. By clicking on the status, users can also check the audit trail to track submission logs. Number 4. Canceling and reprocessing an invoice. If the user would like to cancel an invoice, they can select the invoice that want to cancel by ticking the checkbox. Then click the Cancel Selected button. Next, enter the reason and confirm by clicking Yes. The submission status will then change to Canceled. To reprocessing an invoice, for example, the user needs to add a missing invoice. User can create the invoice to add in the missing invoice and return to Consolidated e-invoice screen. Click Run again with same timeline. Users will now see an increased document count, indicating that a new invoice has been added. Select the invoice by ticking the checkbox and click Submit Selected to proceed a new submission. Please be aware of the following important details. Number 1. Consolidated submissions must be completed within the first 7 days of the following month. Consolidated e-invoice submission will only allowed to be canceled within 72 hours. For example, if a user wants to submit February's invoices, the submission must be done between March 1st and March 7. Otherwise, the user will have to wait until the next submission cycle in the following month. Number 2. During the interim relaxation period, businesses can consolidate e-invoices, but failure to issue either consolidated or individually invoices may result in penalties of Rm200 to Rm20,000, up to 6 months imprisonment, or both. Number 5. Disallowed transactions and no consolidation setup. Disallowed transactions. Some stock items or accounts cannot be consolidated and must be submitted separately. These transactions will appear under Disallowed Transactions in the Consolidated Invoice screen. The user needs to set up no consolidation items by go to Setting, Integration, Setting button, No Consolidation item. Select the item or account, click Add, and add it to the list. Thank you for following along.